Hello everyone, this is Disha. I welcome you all to this session. In this session, we will be having a very real talk. हम एक उस चीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे जो सभी स्टूडेंट्स के साथ होती है और मेरे साथ भी हुई थी. And that is overthinking. And I will tell you how to avoid overthinking. I have gone through the same situation in which you all are now. हम पढ़ते पढ़ते सोचने लग जाते हैं कि नीट का एग्ज़ाम कैसा होगा, मुश्किल होगा, आसान होगा, हमें आता होगा या नहीं आता होगा, हमारा क्लियर होगा या नहीं होगा, अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, हमें कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा. एंड अ स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स बिल्डिंग अप इन अवर माइंड एंड दैट स्टोरी goes and goes. We are not able to stop it. And overthinking is a very major obstacle in our preparatory days. So I am here with few tips which will help you to stop it. And these tips are from my own personal experience, and I don't want all of you to face the problems which I faced. So let's get started. First of all, we have to find the reason of overthinking. Reason of overthinking is that we are afraid of failures. हम अपने failures से डर जाते हैं. We are afraid of getting failed. हम सोचने लग जाते हैं कि अगर नीट ना क्लियर हुआ तो क्या होगा. And the very first point to stop overthinking is that we should stop ourselves. We should remind ourselves of the thing that we should not go to that overthinking zone. हमें अपने thought process को वहीं पे रोक देना होगा. So the first point is that you have to stop yourself. Second point is that you have to meditate. Meditation will fill you with positivity. I always tell you that out of your busy schedule, spare out 10 to 15 minutes for meditation. It will really calm your mind and fill you with positivity. The third is 5-second rule. It is a scientific rule. Whenever you start overthinking, just count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it will really stop all the thought process that is taking place in your mind. The fourth point is that you have to find out the reasons. You have to find out why you are getting anxious. आपको ये सोचना होगा कि आप क्यों डर रहे हो, क्यों anxious हो रहे हो, and you have to discuss those reasons with your parents, friends, teachers or your siblings or your well-wishers. And discussing what you feel, अपनी feelings को किसी के साथ share करने से it will really help you to stop overthinking. And the fifth point is that you should take a break. Whenever you feel extremely overexhausted or extremely tired, just take a break. Go to walk. Follow your hobby. You know, following your hobby after extremely hard-working days is not a waste of time. It is just boosting up your energy levels, boosting up your body to start working again. So after 20 to 25 days of extremely hard working, or whenever you feel tired or exhausted or bored, you can just take a break and follow your hobby for some time. Do your favorite thing for some time. That will really boost you up. और लास्ट थिंग इज दैट हम सबको ये याद रखना है कि फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा. इफ वी कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर, वी विल लूज अवर प्रेजेंट, विच वी कांट अफोर्ड. So I hope that all these tips will help you to overcome overthinking.